All right, let's talk about it. Is Fiction Profits Academy a scam? We're also known as FPA. You've probably Googled it or maybe watched a few videos, and now you're not sure what to believe. I'm here to give you the full story, the good, the bad, and the real results. Look, I get it. There are a ton of online programs that make big promises and don't deliver. So when you see something like Fiction Profits Academy saying that you can publish books and make money on Amazon even if you're a beginner, it's fair to ask, what's the catch? Here's the thing, it's not magic and it's definitely not a scam. And here's the proof. Go to our website and look under reviews. You'll see how much money real students are making each month. And we keep that data live and updated monthly. And it's not just a few screenshots. We've got hundreds of reviews. Between the Better Business Bureau and Trustpilot, we have thousands of verified reviews. And let's be honest, you can't fake that many reviews. Any reasonable person who reads them for 5 minutes knows they're real. Our entire course is built for complete beginners who want to start a real online business. Specifically a semi-passive income stream through fiction publishing. Yes, it takes work at first, but once you've got a book out there and your system is in place, it takes maybe 5 to 10 hours a week to maintain. So why do some people still call it a scam? Honestly, a few reasons. Most people don't do the work. They sign up and never publish a book. And if you read the 1-star reviews on Trustpilot, we actually provide proof in every single case. We pull up their account and every time, and I mean every time, we find the same thing. They only watched about 10% of the training videos. They never touched the AI software that helps you start for almost free. They didn't attend any of the one-on-one coaching calls, and they never showed up to our live daily calls where we answer questions and walk you through it. Guys, I'll say this clearly. If anyone has a bad experience and wants to prove us wrong, comment below and I'll change my words. But we have never seen someone go through the training, publish books following our process, and then leave a bad review. The second reason people sometimes call it a scam is the refund policy. Sometimes people rush in without reading the details and they say we hid the costs. That's not true. On our checkout page, we provide a full write-up, a 1-page breakdown of every potential cost. We even win most of our disputes because of how transparent we are. Our guarantee is action-based because it costs us real money to bring someone into the program. We're not just an online video course. We have over 40 employees, coaches, editors, tech support, designers, all helping students succeed. So when you join, we're investing in you. We're giving you the keys to a multi-million-dollar publishing system. We just ask that you take it seriously. If you follow the program, publish a book, and then decide it's not for you, we refund you. But if you don't do anything, we can't take that loss. We're not Walmart. We work with serious people who want real results. And the good news? If you're serious, this is a serious solution. Fiction Profits Academy has over 15,000 students, more than 2,000 5-star reviews on Trustpilot, a 100% money-back guarantee if you publish 1 book in 6 months. That doesn't sound like a scam to me. So is Fiction Profits Academy a scam? No, it's a real business model with real coaching and real results. And complete beginners are doing this every single day. If you're curious, check out the free training. It explains everything and shows you the exact process. And the link's in the description if you want to see it for yourself. And hey, if you want honest videos about online business from someone who's actually doing it and not just hype from people who've never built anything, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.